Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the JJN Nugget Indicator for MT4. This custom built tool provides a visually intuitive perspective on market behavior by drawing a sharp zigzag-like line that moves through the charts more dynamically than a moving average, generating green buy or red sell text signals above the chart based on whether price is trading above or below its reference line. In this video, you will see how the JJN Nugget Indicator works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are described. The JJN Nugget Indicator is a custom-built indicator for the MT4 trading platform designed to provide a more visually intuitive perspective of market behavior by highlighting key points in price action where traders might find opportunities. Unlike standard moving averages that appear smooth and curved, this indicator draws a sharp line over the charts that moves through price like a zigzag formation, providing more responsive and dynamic readings of market structure changes. The indicator generates clear trading signals in the form of green buy text or red sell text displayed above the charts based on its calculations, with signals triggered when the price moves above or below the sharp reference line, providing straightforward visual guidance for trade direction. You can already see how it looks on the charts. The JJN Nugget Indicator displays a sharp zigzag-like line that moves dynamically through price action, cutting through the charts more aggressively than traditional moving averages to highlight key structural levels. When price trades above its reference line, the indicator generates a green buy signal displayed as text above the chart, indicating bullish conditions and potential long trade opportunities. When price moves below its reference line, the indicator displays a red sell signal as text above the charts, signaling bearish conditions and potential short trade setups, with the color-coded text making direction immediately clear. As for the settings, let's take a look at what we have. The inputs, you can set the buy color, the sell color, the font color. We can choose the number of decimals, and we can also customize our preferred colors like I previously said over here, and then we can choose our preferred time frames. As for who is for, the JJN Nugget Indicator is suitable for day traders who need to make rapid decisions and benefit from time efficiency through clear immediate visual cues, scalpers who value the ability to generate quick and frequent signals on lower time frames, and traders seeking confirmation tools to increase confidence, especially in volatile markets. Its strengths include visual simplicity by reducing noise and focusing only on relevant market signals without cluttering the charts, clear signal highlighting through green buy and red sell text providing immediate directional guidance, adaptability across multiple asset classes and time frames including forex commodities and indices, and reduced emotional trading by relying on objective visual signals rather than fear or greed. However, no indicator can guarantee success, and the Nugget Indicator can produce false signals, especially in highly volatile or news-driven markets. Performs best in certain market conditions such as trending phases, while being less reliable during choppy or sideways markets. Should not be used in isolation but combined with other forms of technical analysis of fundamental insights, and requires practice to interpret signals correctly, as novice traders may initially misinterpret the visual cues. You can download the JJN Nugget Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how the sharp zigzag-like line with green buy and red sell text signals provides straightforward visual guidance, helping traders save time, boost confidence, and improve discipline. If you like visually intuitive tools with clear color-coded signals, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.